A general estimate of Thom Gunn. It has been remarked that Thom Gunn has been an intellectual poet nearer to the metaphysicals than even Eliot, almost equal to Donne. Most important than this is another aspect of his poetic personality, his intuitiveness. This gives him unified sensibility which fuses experience and art. His philosophy is obviously existentialism. Many of his poems deal with existential themes. The world in which he lives, the parts of it that we see through his poems, involves tensions. For example, there is tension between intense joy of life and existential longing for the withdrawal of self. He finds joy in friendship, sex, loud boisterous men, etc. Another facet of this tension is the one between irony on the one hand and compassion on the other. Another quality worth noting is his astringent observation, which lends him delight in diversity, color, and sensuousness. In short, delight in life itself. This joy goes against the general tone and temper of the times, which is one of despair. In this particular aspect, R.S. Thomas and Thaddeus are at one with Thom Gunn. The Metaphysicals, Hardy, Yeats, Auden, the beach poets of America all have influence on Thom Gunn, but his voice in these poems is his own authentic voice. He is eager for life, observant, loving, amused by human folly. These show that there is a moralist in him, but he is without malice. There is no place for God in his world. He sees nothing before birth and after death, but there is life vibrant between these. The circumstance surrounding life is nothingness. Life is like a lamp, it burns. You blow it off, and there an end. Referring to his poem A Waking Dream, in which Gunn sees very vividly Tony White, a friend who died in an accident, and communicates that vision to us. A. Dyson remarks, there is a moral fineness concealed in Gunn's immoral hedonism. This consists in an instinct of life and love balanced against fear of death. Fear of death and fear of life are constant companions. This is a recurring theme in Gunn. We have to see the poems in the light of these remarks. In Santa Maria del Popolo, Gunn sees only the wide gesture of isolation on the part of soul. It is nothingness that even these saintly people embrace. This is his usual existential theme. In the poem On the Move, the obvious theme is the existential withdrawal, but there is a positive force, a vibrant dynamism in the movement of motorcycle boys, which cannot be equated with withdrawal, with negation. It is an affirmation, a will to dare a future, to create a future by moving away from this existence of futility. Here, certainly, it is not a vision of nothingness surrounding life, but something to which they are moving.